And we're back to learning HTML Canvas. Let me show you how to create a simple rectangle. Here was our circle. Here's the stroke. I get rid of it, it's gone. Here's the fill. And finally the object. I'll delete it. We still keep our canvas C and our 2D element CTX. And now we create a rectangle. Let me first give it a fill. So we need ctx.fillStyle. You don't have to use descriptive terms, you can also use a hex code. Let me just add CCC, it's a grayish fill. And now we'll create the element ctx.fillRect. Rectangle has 4 parameters, x, y position, and then width and height. And here it is. Let me change the color to red maybe. First value is the x position, second the y, third is the width, so I make it a little bit smaller in the horizontal dimension. Last value is the y, the height in this case, so 100 times 200 looks like this. If I want to put it in center, don't just use the width of your canvas and divide it by 2 because the rectangle is being generated at the top left. So you have to calculate it a little bit different. We have a width of 100, so we need the canvas width 600 minus 100, the width of the rectangle, it's 500, and then divided by 2, and this will be the center. Same goes for the y position. We have 500 minus 200 is 300, divided by 2 is 150, and now this rectangle is in center. And this is how you can create a simple rectangle using HTML Canvas. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.